Hi, I'm Steven from Big Lead Lawns. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to install the CheckMate striping kit to the Toro Recycler, which also includes the SmartStow and Personal Pace series in just a few easy steps. Before we get started, I'm quickly going to go through the tools required for the installation process. First, we have a 1/2-inch socket, Phillips head screwdriver, 9/16 wrench, 3/4 inch wrench, or you could use a 3/4 inch socket and something to safely prop up your mower. And now that we have safely propped up the rear of the mower, we need to clear access to our mounting location. This involves first removing the bagger and then removing the 2 rear wheels. Using a 1/2-inch socket wrench, you will loosen the wheel mounting bolt by turning it counterclockwise. Once removed, simply slide the tire off and place it on the side until the installation is complete. Now that we have the bagger and tires removed, we now have clear access to our mounting point. You'll see at the rear of the machine a plastic skirt which is held in place with 2 small Phillips head screws. Remove the screw from each side and pull the flap from the holes. At this point in time, remove your 2 mounting brackets and supplied 7/32 hex key from the hardware pack. You'll note that the hardware is pre-assembled and ready for installation. Simply remove the 3/8 lock nut from the mounting bolt. Place the mounting bolt through the hole and finger tighten the 3/8 lock nut. After finger tightening, complete the process on the other side. Using your 9/16 wrench along with your 7/32 Allen key, tighten the bolt to the machine. Once tight, reverse the button head bolt approximately 1/4 turn so that the mounting arm is free to pivot up and down. At this point, we're ready to attach our kit to the mounting arms. So first is to loosen these bolts that are pre-assembled on your kit and tightened for shipping purposes. Once loosened, take your bolts out. Once your bolts are out, you can adjust your channel nuts to wherever they need to be, and if they happen to come out, you just simply put them back in and turn them 90 degrees. So at this point in time, we're going to take our bolt and attach it to each channel nut. You just want these to be finger tight on both sides. Now that our bolts are finger tightened, it's time to put the rear wheels back on. You're just going to line up your holes and take your 1/2-inch wrench and firmly tighten your wheel back on. Once complete, repeat the process on the other side. At this point, we're going to take our kit and center it with our mower. Once centered, we're going to tighten our bolts and repeat that for the other side. Now that installation is complete, we're going to check that the roller is freely floating up and down, and we can now place our bagger back on our machine. I hope this video was helpful. If you need any further information, you can visit our website at www.bigleaguelawns.com or give us a call at 800-411-0150. We'll see you next time.